Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So as you can see right now, the price of Bitcoin is actually struggling to stay above this 30,000 support level. And now the question remains, if the support here of 30,000 is not going to hold the price, how far the price of Bitcoin is going to see a pullback? And if this pullback is going to happen, then where might we possibly heading? So that's why guys, in this video I'm going to go in a detail and show you why this 30,000 support is very important, and losing this could change the whole scenario, just like as I've said you on my yesterday's video. So starting this right over here in a weekly time frame, we can see this rounding top was actually indicating yesterday that the price of Bitcoin at any cost must stay around this 30,000 support level, because if this is going to play out, this rounding top, the first target according to this rounding top is sitting around 24,000 area. So that's why if this rounding top here, which has played in a Euro USD chart, this is just an example you can see here. If the price is going to lose this 30,000 support, then we might be starting a new trend here to the downside. And according to this rounding top here in a weekly time frame, our first target is going to be around this 24,000 area. The reason why I'm actually looking around this downward price target is because you can see here in another scenario also here in a weekly time frame. And also guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. We have also talked about this here using this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve and also this Fibonacci retracement level, because we are aware with each and every impulsive move the price of Bitcoin since 2010-2011 guys, you can see every time the price reached the top of the channel, right, this white line here to the upside, only then we said, hey, now that is the top of this bull market. But the price of Bitcoin here still had a plenty of room to grow in upward direction. That's why we said if this is going to unfollow, just like here in the past Bitcoin price action, you can see with the new impulsive move, every corrective move getting support from this 1.618 before again heading to the upper direction towards the top of the channel, and then calling it the end of a bull market and a new trend here to the downside starting. You can see with each and every new trend, the price of Bitcoin always showed a pretty similar scenario. A pullback here towards this 1.618 just like here, and then a new trend started towards the top of the channel. And again you can see from 2013 a new trend started, and this new trend also did a pretty similar scenario. I mean a reversal towards this 1.618, right, just like in the past Bitcoin price action, and a new trend started heading towards the top of the channel. And also here in 2017 you can see when we started this new downward trend and a new uptrend started, this uptrend is also showing a pretty similar scenario, a pullback that is getting support at this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So that's why right now what we want at any cost for Bitcoin is to hold this support at this 1.618 Fibonacci level that is sitting around 30,000 area. So if this 30,000 is going to get broken, then the price of Bitcoin could show some very scenario guys, and I have been talking about this plenty of time in my videos. So that's why what we want at any cost is to remain above this 30,000 area for Bitcoin. So if this 30,000 is going to hold the price, then we could still expect some impulsive move to play for Bitcoin, because in the past Bitcoin price action finding support at this 1.618 started a new trend here to the upper direction towards the top of the channel here in 2017, you can see 2013, and also here in 2011. So that's why for us the most important thing is to stay above this 30,000 area for Bitcoin, not just only because of this here in a weekly time frame using this rounding top or this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, but also if you are aware, we did talk about this Wyckoff distribution, and losing this 30,000 support here, right, could actually indicate now the most important support zone here is going to get broken, and we could be potentially entering this distribution phase from Wyckoff, because according to the distribution schematic from Wyckoff event and phases, right now where we are, you can see this is a very critical area for Bitcoin. So losing this creep around this 30,000 could actually indicate a new potential downward trend for Bitcoin. So that's why guys, that's why this 30,000 support is one very important line to hold, because not just only with this weekly support what we are finding right now, but also if you look at this price action, I did talk about this here on my video plenty of time, because according to this lower line area from this broadening bottom, you can see very clearly the price here in the past Bitcoin price action always formed a strong support after reaching this lower line area, and now you can see the price here is struggling to hold this 30,000. So that's why if this 30,000 support is going to get broken, right, then guys, then the price of Bitcoin could see this potential downward price movement. In a weekly time frame, it's flashing us around 24,000. And also here, using this CPI indicator, the first target for this monthly CPI. This is a CPI indicator. It's a leading indicator. It provides us information beforehand. That's why, according to this indicator for the June month, the lower price target of Bitcoin has already been placed, and that is also sitting around 24,000 area. So that's why this first red line here, the 24,000, is our first downward target if the 30,000 support is going to get broken, because also according to this rounding top, you can see the target is measured around 24,000, and also with the help of this CPI indicator, we could be heading towards this lower target area of 24,000 if the support here at 30,000 is going to get broken. So what we want right now is at any cost for Bitcoin to try to stay above this 30,000 area. We might also see some sort of a shakeout playing out, price going quickly below this 30,000, and again seeing a move here in this manner. So please be careful and do not over leverage at this current stage. Let market do its thing and wait for proper moment. And also not just only here in a daily time frame, the most accurate chart so far is this descending channel for Bitcoin, because this is clearly showing this lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern playing out for Bitcoin. So that's why since the price here again got a rejection from this upper line area of this descending channel, right, you can see here. So that's why we have to be careful, because according to this descending channel, it is also clearly showing us the price of Bitcoin is heading towards the downward direction. So if 30,000 support is going to get broken, as I've already said you guys, then we could be potentially heading here towards the downward direction. And according to this CPR, the downward target is sitting around 24,000. And also here in a weekly time frame, according to this rounding top, we could be heading towards the 24,000 if the 30,000 support here is going to get broken. And also guys, let me make you aware, BYBIT right now is providing around $1,610 deposit bash bonus, and this one is for limited time only. The only thing you have to do is sign up using my ref link down below. The sign up process would take you only 2 or 3 minutes of your time, and if you already have a BYBIT account and you want to claim this bonus one more time, then you have to create a new email address and follow this process one by one. Let me show you very quickly. After signing up, just go to promotion and click on the latest promotion. $1,610 reward up for grabs. Click on this $1,010 bonus for new users in the deposit bonus bash page. Up to $100 in reward hub and 500 worth of bonus are available in the referral program. And now let's jump into our chart. So that's why guys, you can see right now this price structure what we are witnessing with Bitcoin is actually flashing a very interesting scenario, and we also hope that we will be able to find support above this 30,000 at the end of the day. So let's see how this one is going to play out for Bitcoin, because losing this 30,000 could indicate a potential downward price movement for Bitcoin. So these are some of the scenario I thought sharing with you in today's short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.